Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Homemade Indian Food. Today we're going to be making a Dhaba Style Dal Tadka.
Another new one.
Another new one. This one is a special request from Bouja Strook.
Well, let's see how it goes.
Here you go, Bouja. Let's do this. Alright, let's take a look at the ingredients that are going to making the Dal Tadka. We have the star of the show, tur dal, 1.5 cups. And that's been soaked for an hour and rinsed really well. And with the dal, we have 1 teaspoon of turmeric. And then also with that, we have 3 cups of water that are going to go into the pressure cooker. Then we have a masala. We have 1 diced onion, 3 tomatoes, also diced, 5 sprigs of coriander, chopped up. I have 2 tablespoons of ghee, a tablespoon and a half of garlic ginger paste, 1 teaspoon of kasur methi, 1.5 tablespoons of cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon of garam masala, and 1/2 teaspoon of Kashmiri mirch. Had to go light on that for Mumzies. So those are the ingredients for the masala. Now we have the tadka that's going to be used with it. We have 1 tablespoon of garlic, diced. We have 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. We have 2 pinches of hing. 2 red chilies. They're the dried red chilies. Oh, and I forgot, this is with the masala. We actually have 1 green chili diced up. So that's it as far as the ingredients go. Let's go ahead and get the dal in the pressure cooker and get that started. So I'll set the pressure cooker for 15 minutes and we'll check the dal at that point. If it needs more time, we'll go ahead and adjust and add more time to it. Okay, I have a medium-sized skillet over a medium flame, and we're gonna put half of the ghee into the pan and we'll get that melted down. Once that's melted down, we'll go ahead and add our cumin to it and get the cumin popping. Okay, the ghee is melted. Now we'll go ahead and add the cumin seeds. Okay, now we'll add the ginger garlic paste. Next, we'll add the onion. Once the onions soften up, we'll go ahead and add the green chili to it. Now I'll add the diced green chili. The onion and chili are looking good. Now we'll go ahead and add the tomato in. We'll let this simmer for a few minutes. right, the tomatoes have simmered down. Now we'll add the Kashmiri mirch. We'll also add the kasuri methi. Get those mixed in here. It's smelling absolutely wonderful right now. So fragrant. Okay, that's all mixed in. Now we will add the chopped coriander. This looks like a really nice base for the dish. Should impart a lot of flavor into those lentils. Okay, now we will add the lentils to our masala. Now we'll get the dal and the masala mixed well. Okay, we have it all mixed. Next step, we'll add the garam masala. Now we're ready to make the tadka. We'll go ahead and get the remainder of the ghee into a small skillet. I have the flame on a medium heat right now. We'll add the cumin seed. We'll let the cumin cook for about a minute. Next, we'll add the hing. I'll turn the heat down just a little bit. And we'll add the garlic. And we'll add the chili, the dried red chilies. Now we'll add the tadka to the dish. Well, what do you think, Bouja? Does this look like a Dhaba Style Dal Tadka to you? It looks like the picture. And I'll put the recipe, the link to the recipe down in the description for you if you want to make it for yourself. It looks really good. I think we'll get some plates of rice and we'll put this to the test. Well, how does that look?
It looks really good.
You ready to put it to the test?
I am.
All right, let's do this. Okay, we have it all plated up, ready to give it a try.
I'm ready. Let's do this.
I'm ready too.
Yeah, I'm not going there yet. Sorry.
We had so many requests to try dal with our hands, so I'm gonna go for it.
You go for it.
Yeah. And we're eating the dal tadka with rice.
Yes.
And since we're at home, we use brown rice instead of basmati rice. So
That's right.
please don't murder us in the comments. This is a health thing for us.
Exactly.
Yeah. It should taste just as well.
Just as well.
So let's give it a try.
Okay.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Wow. That's packed with flavor.
Wow. It is. It's got a kick.
Is it too spicy for you?
Not right now, but who knows?
I was a bit concerned about the Kashmiri mirch and the red chilies. We'll see. Hopefully Mumsies can handle it. Oh, the flavor's outstanding though.
Mm-hmm.
And I get to practice eating with my hand. Wow. That is so good. And you know, it's a fairly easy dish to cook too. That wasn't too bad at all. That went really quick.
Mm-hmm.
Very nice. Well, what do you think, Bouja? Did we do you proud? I hope so.
Yep, the nose is running.
Is it?
Yep.
Well, I'm enjoying this. Even if there's no Mumsies happy dance on this one. I think it's too spicy for her.
Yeah. I'm feeling the heat.
What do you think of the flavors,
The
though?
flavors are good. The flavors are really good. But yes, the spice heat level is there.
And I made it maybe 1/4 of the amount of pepper that's supposed to go into it.
Sorry.
Yeah. So you're probably at like a 2-year-old Indian level, right?
I don't know. We'll see. I can build up and tolerate it as we go.
Well, I'm really enjoying this.
Good.
Yeah. It's
Good,
very
good.
nice. So next up, we have a fairly highly requested dish.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, we have 4 viewers who have requested it, so
What is
we'll
that?
be making that. Well, RV, Kapil Verma, Subham Hansraj, and Anil Yadav know what it is, or at least they've requested it in the past.
Okay.
The rest will have to wait and see.
We shall try that next.
We shall. Well, I'd like to thank everyone for watching. Until next time.
Bye.